Okay, this is the People versus Terrence Lamar Jackson. Calling cases P722622, no insurance, and P3, count 1, no insurance, count 2, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearance.
Good morning, Honor. For the record, Coleman Potts, P78607 on behalf of Mr. Jackson. Your Honor, for the purposes of this proceeding, I ask that you waive my client presence and set this matter for a trial.
Okay, I will waive his presence today, and it's just a pre-trial. We're setting a trial date. Is this going to be a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so today is the, so I'll set it for October 7th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
You said 7th or 2nd?
7th, S as in, well, that doesn't work as a second. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Anything else?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too. Okay.
All right, we're good to go when you are.
Okay, perfect timing. Okay, this is the People versus Brandon Xavier Jackson, calling case U576-43220, one count of offer to engage in services of another for an act of prostitution. Appearance.
Good morning to you and your staff. My name is Jonathan Johns. I represent the young man who's appearing with you, Mr. Jackson. Let the record reflect, we're waiving our right to appear physically in your courtroom. We are grateful that you've made the video conferencing via Zoom available to us, and we're ready to proceed.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Brandon Xavier Jackson.
Okay, good morning to you.
I've thoroughly explained to him what his rights are as it relates to being brought to court on a misdemeanor. He understands if you accept the additional count of disorderly conduct, he will not have a trial of any kind, waiving his right to be tried in front of a jury or a judge, his right to the presumption of innocence, his right to confront and have his lawyer cross-examine witnesses, the right to testify or not testify, and if he chooses not to have that held against him. And he's prepared to verbalize to you that he understands that, and he's waiving said rights.
Is that correct, Mr. Jackson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Attorney Jones, thank you. You did all the talking for me.
After all you've done for us, I figured it was the least I could do.
That was wonderful. I just swear you in, Mr. Jackson. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to May 26, 2020, around 4:18 p.m. in the area of John R., Arizona, in the city of Detroit. On that date and time and around that location, did you engage in disorderly conduct?
Yes.
May I void you to clear the record up for you?
Sure.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, at that date and time, did you stop and speak to an individual who was on foot?
Yes.
And in doing so, did you tie up traffic, causing a commotion with other drivers?
Yes.
And then did that lead to the police getting involved?
Yes.
Is the court satisfied?
Yes, thank you.
All right.
Okay, so for sentencing purposes, the recommendation from the prosecutor is for him to be tested, HIV and STI testing, attend the misdemeanor morality class, and 8 hours of community service. Is there anything before I sentence? Did you like to say, Attorney Jones?
Does that mean he doesn't get a fine?
Well, that would be up to me.
I'm asking flippantly, you know that. No, we would stipulate to that what I consider to be reasonable sanctions and something that hopefully will cement the lesson already learned.
Okay, so I'm going to sentence him to everything except for the 8 hours of community service. I'm
Thank
not
you,
gonna-
Your Honor.
And I've also been waiving fines and costs, so due to the pandemic. So you anticipated that one.
Right. Yep. So I just need to let him, I just need to find out how he tests so he can do that immediately.
Right, and Mr. Jackson, when you provide your information or proof of being tested, don't submit the actual results. We just want proof that you were tested, okay? Because a lot of people send in the results and we don't want to see the results, okay?
Brandon, you understand, it just means she needs to know that you had the test done.
Okay.
All right, awesome. Do you want me to keep him on for the clerk?
No, just need to know how much time. Let's set it out 3 months, because things are running a little bit slow
Okay.
for a review date.
Right, will how will he know where to test? Will they send that to him?
He can call probation. And
Oh,
they
okay, all
provide
right, awesome.
location. So
Okay,
yeah, we can talk to Mr. Jackson about that. You don't need to stay on for that.
all right, I'm gonna run into another court. Judge, please stay safe. Always a pleasure to see you smile.
Same here. Have a good
All right,
one.
take care.
Mr. Jackson, stay on, okay?
This is that's it. We're gonna do this, so let's do
That Tuesday.
what is that, 24th, right?
So we'll do November 24th instead. That should be enough time, Mr. Jackson, for you to take care of the morality class and the testing, the HIV and STI test.
Okay.
Now I'm going to give you a phone number to call so that you can talk to the probation department. You are not on probation, but they will provide you with information as to where to take the morality class and where to get tested for the STI. Let's see.
34140.
Okay, now go ahead and write this down or put it in your phone.
Okay.
It's 313-965-3414.
Okay.
And let them know that you need a schedule for the misdemeanor morality class,
Excuse me.
Okay.
as well as locations. You can go to your own doctor, or you can ask them, or you can go to a urgent care or a clinic. It can be from anywhere as long as it's a medical professional that tests you.
Oh, okay.
Now, here's another step. If you would like, you can submit before November 24th, so you don't have to Zoom back in. If we receive the information, I'll just close your case out when you do it. Or you can wait till November 24th and Zoom back in with that proof. Which one do you want to do?
I can do it before then.
Okay, so here is the email address. I'm gonna put it in the chat section, okay? You can just copy and paste it because it's a little long. And I'll send it one more time.
Okay. Yep. I got it.
Got it? So when you send that, we'll get the notification and just close it out if it's before November 24th, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
That's pretty much it.
Okay, so if you have any issues, just go ahead and call our court back, okay? And
Okay.
that's at 965-2285.
Okay.
All right, you have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome.